you should have at least maybe talk to me about it first, or even mention it to me before you do it. But me just hearing it from people is...
From people's words? Which one is from people's? It was literally there.
Yeah,
there was not a decision made.
You made the decision.
Like it was not a stable round table this thing. You just said from people's.
I was there with you.
Yeah, so what do you mean by from people's this thing?
What stopped you from saying, okay, you and Bella should just go, Bella should just take my place before you go and announce it?
So that's the problem.
It's not the problem, I'm just asking you. But if you feel, it's not a problem, but if you feel maybe we shouldn't talk about some things before carrying it out, it's fine. Because I actually asked you and you just walked away. It's not something that's supposed to be... I asked
you a question, you did not answer me. Which ones I just walked away?
What's the problem? I said there is no problem. I'm just asking.
No. If it's still the same issue, which is still the Bella thing that was the problem, why didn't you say that was the problem? Which one is there is no problem?
Problem?
It was. That was what brought the question up. Would the question just come out from the floor?
So why are you shouting?
How am I shouting? Would the question just come out from the floor? It won't. So why didn't you mention the problem? Now said there is no problem. So how am I supposed to? How am I supposed to reason if there was no problem? It's a question that would have come from somewhere. You can't just ask a question without there being a root. Now, I'm not even pushing the question back to you, but I asked you, what is the problem? Is it because I said they should ask Bella for the date? Like to switch me and Bella for the date?
Answering a question without answering a question with another question. What's there in just saying no or yes, then ask your question? Why do you have to like ask
why
a question?
Why do you feel it comes from a place of respect?
Why do I feel it comes from a place
of respect? Answer the question. Also, basically, it was 2 dates. We never knew